Hello friends, welcome to Sukumar Tutorials. In the last class we have seen how to digitize the point features from the georeference map. In this class we will see how to digitize line feature from the georeference map. So you have to open your QGIS. Just open. Now I have to open my georeference map. So I go to Source Manager. Data Source Manager I am clicking. I am just highlighting the raster. Go to the browse. I select the georeference map. Click it, open it, add it, close. So your georeference map has come. To ensure whether it is georeference or not, you just move the cursor, watch at the bottom coordinates. It is showing the coordinates. Okay, you ensure that this is georeferenced. Now I have to digitize features. What are the different types of features are there? So I am zooming this. See, I got some line features, that is power lines are there, roads are there, streams, all these things can be shown by line. So now in this example I am going to digitize a road. This is a road. I am going to create a road layer. Either you can classify the roads or you can just digitize it. Later you can classify it. So I am going to start digitizing road, for which I have to go to layer, create layer, you click it. From the create layer, new shapefile layer, you have to click it. Then it is asking the folder directory where you have to name of the new shapefile. Just to go to the browse, I am just giving name of the shapefile, that is road. If it is a different kinds of road, you have to say roads. It is only a road. Save it. File encoding, you leave it UTF-8 as it is. Then go to the geometry type. Just to click at the bottom. Then you select the geometry feature, line. Okay. Then you see the coordinate system. It is EPSG 4326 WGS84. This is geographic coordinate system. Leave it as it is. If you want to add, like we have given type. If you want to classify the roads, you can put type also. Now I am going to leave it as it is. ID is there. Say OK. That means only road I am going to digitize. So you have to, once you do that, the road shapefile has come in the layer. You highlight it. Then zoom a particular point from where you can start digitizing your road. So I am zooming this area. I am going to start from this end to other end. So I just right click it, toggle editing. So it is edited. So it is add line features being highlighted. I am clicking that. I am just bringing my digitizing cursor. Before that, I have to make it sure that enable slapping. See, this is enable slapping. If it is not there, right click it. You can find it in the panel. Different panels are there. It is already highlighted. So I made a tick mark. If it is not highlighted, you have to make a highlighting and then you have to make it editable. Then you take your, that is digitize your lines. The cursor mark has come. You start from this end. Middle of the road you have to digitize. That is digitizing, you have to press go. Left mouse button you have to press. That is you are adding node. Whenever you press the left button, you are adding a node. So you just, according to the bend curve of the road, you have to give more numbers or less numbers. If it is straight, you can give straight numbers, straight distance nodes. Once you come to this end, you press your upper arrow key. There are 4 arrow keys are there. Upper arrow key, you press it, then you continue. I'm going here. I come to this point. I wanted to see the eastern side. Just move. Top also you can move. So I'm just pressing, double clicking, and then press your left button. It is asking if there is any ID. I'm not going to give any ID. So simply I'm saying OK. So it is already digitized. If you want to see what I digitized, you can see the full view and then make the map invisible background. See, this is what you have started digitized. Due to some work I stopped it here. I'm just going to continue later. So I stopped it. Again I wanted to continue, so I'm just highlighting the background georeference map. So here I just left it. I wanted to continue from here. Again I have to go to add line feature. You bring it here. It is snapping here. That means there is just a violet color is coming. When you bring the cursor here, already digitized last point, it will snap. Then you can continue your digitizing. Press your left button, add node along the center point of the road. Just keep going on the top. So press the upper arrow key. Don't bother about this things. We can correct it later. Go to press the upper arrow key. It will be visible. Now we have to digitize. Just center of the road. You have to add nodes and then go and then press right button over. If you want to classify, you can give 1, 2 like that. Earlier what we have done in points. Simply I am showing the digitizing, so don't just bother about anything. Say OK. Already you have done the digitization. Now I am going to see the full view and make the map invisible. See the line. I have started from here and ended my digitizing here. So select your selection feature. That is this is a selection tool. Just click it, keep it over this map. So the first time I have digitized from this point to this point, and then I continued from here to this point, and then highlight the rest of the thing is highlighted. That means both are highlighted. It should be joined. It is not a discontinuous, it's a continuous. After highlighting this, go to edit, merge selected features are here. Click it. So 2 types are there. Just finish. Then it is merged. Now I wanted to see whether it is a 2 segments or 1 segment. So once again I am going to the selection and then selecting. Now entire thing being selected. This is how you have to digitize a line feature, that is a road on the georeference map. Suppose you want to edit a point, you just zoom and then see it. If you have any error, you can go to this one, that is vertex tool. Click it, keep it over this map. 1 click, second click, you can just drag it. See, it comes. First click, second click, I can move. You can see. This way you can edit it. Suppose if you have deviated, you can just bring it to the center point. This is how you have to edit it. So I am just once again, I am just seeing the full view and then deselection. It has become. Then I wanted to change the color of the road, for which again I have to go to road, right click it, go to the properties, see single symbol, simple line, you highlight it, you got color. I want red color. See, just I am highlighting the red color and then increase the width. So I wanted to give 1.00 instead of 0.26. So I have selected 1 point, apply, OK. See, now the road color has been changed and then width also increased. If you want to reduce, again the same way you have to go to properties and reduce the width of the road, change whatever color you want to have. So this is how you have to digitize a line feature. This is for the road. If it is a stream, you have to choose a blue color, you have to digitize like this. So this is how you have to digitize line features from a georeferenced map. Hope you would have enjoyed it. You practice it, share it with your friends, and then you press the bell and subscribe it. Thank you.